Why are we sitting next to an empty suitcase?
I don't know where to start.
Let me help you then.
Packing for holidays is really easy if you know the steps to follow. There are 4 simple steps. Step number 1. Think about the program and the activities that you have. For example, if you're going to a camp, you will have a program of the activities. So you need to read what activities are going to be there.
How many days will the camp last?
This time it will be 6 days.
Okay, let's look at the program.
Here.
There will be morning exercises, swimming, outdoor games, lessons and workshops, disco and final show, and of course you will need something for shower and sleep. Let's think what we need for those activities.
Oh, a lot I think. I've got an idea. Let's make a table with activities on the right and clothes on the left.
Sounds better. Let's start with morning exercises. What you can wear during them?
We'll be outside, sweatpants, sweatshirt, jacket, and trainers.
What about swimming?
I've got a nice swimsuit and a swimming cap.
Don't you need a towel?
Yeah, a towel then.
Then we have outdoor games.
The same jacket and sweatshirt or hoodie, t-shirt and trousers. And boots on my feet. And boots on my feet. On my feet.
And a beanie?
Yeah, and a beanie.
Lessons and workshops.
The same outfit, just without boots and jacket.
Oh, and the beanie. What about stationery? Would you take pencils or pens?
I can take a pencil case with pencil, pens, glue stick, rubbers and scissors, and a notebook.
Then there is a disco and a final show.
I can take my favorite dress and tights for the disco and final show.
And when it comes to showering and sleeping?
Well, I already have a towel. I can take shampoo, shower gel, toothpaste and brush, pajamas and slippers for sleeping and wearing around the house.
Okay, I think it's time to check what we have.
Oh, there are too many clothes.
Step number 2. Check the weather forecast. In case it's going to rain, you might need an umbrella or Wellington boots or a raincoat. If it's going to be sunny and hot, think of some t-shirts, slippers, shorts and skirts, and so on.
Now let's check the weather.
Good idea.
Are you sure about trainers, for example?
Okay, you're right. There are 2 summer weight. I need something warm and waterproof.
The same for your boots. Maybe it's a good idea to take an umbrella and a raincoat.
That's right, okay.
Your clothes should be warm in general.
Okay.
Are you sure about the slippers? Maybe something like that? They're better for the shower.
Sounds rational.
Step number 3. Check the recommendation list for a place you're going to visit. In our camp, we have a list of things you should take with you. So look at it and make sure you take everything that there is on the list.
Now let's check the camp guide.
Let me see what we can find there. I have to take documents like a copy of SNILS and health insurance, as well as a deodorant and a bag for the dirty underwear.
You can also bring something you can use in the free time, like a book or a board game.
Isn't it too many things?
You can use special guide for packing, and you can find it under the video.
Step number 4. Remember, one clothing item can be used for different activities. So make sure you don't take too many t-shirts or too many trainers, too many trousers. Try to be practical.
Do you really want to take a different pair of trousers for each day?
I don't know, shouldn't I?
Well, we need to be practical.
So we go for 6 days. Then maybe 2 pairs of trousers, 1 pair of boots, 1 pair of trainers, 1 pair of slippers, 2 sweatshirt jumpers, 5 t-shirts, 5 items of underwear, 1 swimsuit, 1 dress, 1 beanie, 1 swimming cap, and maybe 2 towels.
Great, sounds better.
I guess now I'm finally ready.
Don't relax that early. We need to do the same for me. Oh no!